Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Today our topic is about understanding and creating a simple brochure. How many monuments do you remember? Which food do you know in French? These are some of the reasons why we might like or wish to visit a country. Repeat them after me, please. Parce que, because c'est un beau pays. Parce que c'est un grand pays. Parce que c'est un pays intéressant. Parce que c'est un pays moderne. Parce que c'est un petit pays. Parce que c'est cool. Parce que c'est magnifique. Parce que c'est beau. Parce que c'est super. Parce que c'est fantastique. In a simple brochure, you have to find 4 different sections or parts. The first part is going to be the pictures, of course. The second one is the opinions. The third part should be the typical food and drinks. And the last part is going to be the monuments or the places to visit. This is a simple brochure about France. We have here 3 different sections. The first one is a reason why to visit France, or an opinion. And the second part is the typical food and drinks. And the last part is the different monuments and places to visit there. This is the crowns time now. So all of you, for the different crowns, you are going to create a simple brochure about any country that you wish. Of course, the difference is in terms of difficulty. So you have to look at the 3 crowns and choose the one that you can do. Good luck. Au revoir.